Hey, this is Matt from VMP with another episode of Project Chucky. We are finally out at Orlando Speed World without rain for like the first time and it seems like forever. There is rain nearby though, so it's not far, but we'll see what we can do. Thank you. So I'm setting on the window switch on when it comes on, when it turns off. I'm gonna leave it at 3,500 for now. We might be able to bring it in sooner depending on where it flashes at. And then the most important thing is that I'm setting when it turns off at. We have the rev limiter set at 7,500, so I'm having the kit turn off at 74. You don't wanna spray against the rev limiter because bad things happen. The command and shifts are 73, so basically we should spray through the shift. If we miss it, the kit will turn off before we hit the rev limiter. Chucky went 1107, so this close. So 166 60 foot. I actually gotta look at your camera. I couldn't tell if it spun on the 8 or not, but we're gonna go 10 tonight. I'm gonna look at this data log here, but it's gonna do it. Okay, so we're looking over the data. It looks like it spun just the smallest amount, hooked back up, and then the nitrous hit all at the same time. It's almost like the nitrous coming on actually made it start to hook. Could be a weight transfer issue, I don't really know. I gotta look at the video a little bit more. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the nitrous in 200 RPM sooner, so we're gonna light it at about 33 as opposed to 35. I'm hoping that will keep Chucky back on the back tire and it'll stay hooked up instead of that little bit of spin. Plus, getting into the nitrous sooner is gonna help our 60 foot even more. So I also made some torque converter changes and some timing changes. So we're gonna put all this in the car. If it hooks, this will go 10s. So let's try it. Chucky did not do Chucky things. However, that was my fault. And amongst all of our things, Chris, we forgot to bump up, or technically bump down, the window switch. We loaded the tune, but we never lowered the RPM down. So this time it hooked because the track was better, but we didn't do any better. So I ended up with an 11.1. So, you gonna try and run this again? I don't know. All right, it's the last run of the night. We readjusted the nitrous controller. We're going to see what we can do with this last run here. Well, in typical Chucky fashion, Chucky does not cooperate. An 11.06, it just won't do it. 165 60 foot. So I don't know what I can do to make this car leave any harder. So it's just so miserable outside that it just doesn't want to do anything until the nitrous kicks in. So I guess we're gonna have to reevaluate our approach here. See, maybe we can get this thing to, I don't know if we maybe want to make a converter adjustment, throw some suspension at it. I don't know. Rear end doesn't sound too happy either. So we're gonna have to see what we can do next time. All right, so while Chucky did not cooperate, it was still a huge improvement. We went from an 1180, which was basically a glory pass, to an 11.0. So we still shaved a full second off of it. I don't know what the DA is right now, but it's terrible outside. All in all, that was still a huge improvement over the previous passes, and there's still a lot more left in it once we work on our 60 foot, get it cooperating. We're gonna get back to the shop. I'm gonna have the rear end looked at. We're gonna have a couple things we gotta check out because it's not real happy. And then we'll probably come back out and see what we can do next time. All right, in the meantime, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button so you can keep track of Chucky and other future VMP endeavors.